first key point is your positioning of the fingers on the device. As you can see here, my thumb and my middle finger are on either side of the clear part, not on top of it so that I can't see the flashback, and not on the colored part such that I can't actually advance the cannula. So again, my thumb and my middle finger are on the clear plastic part, and my index finger is now free to be able to push the stick out part on the colored cannula forward once I'm in the vein. This is in contrast to venipuncture, where I tend to have my index finger sitting underneath the syringe to steady it as I draw blood, and my thumb on top. The second key point is the angle of contact. It's not an intramuscular injection where I'm going straight at 90 degrees because the muscle is quite deep tissue. It's not an arterial stab where I'm going at about 45 degrees because it's a bit more deep than the vein. We're going more at probably a 20 to 25 degree angle. First step is tourniquet up, palpate the vein, locate the vein, then tourniquet back down. Gives you time to then clean the arm, and then tourniquet back up. To distend the vein, next step is the gel coat, protective cap off, and this is the most important part, to make sure that your thumb and your middle finger are on either side of the clear part, which leaves your index finger free to advance the cannula one-handed. Here we go, find the vein again, insert. I've got flashback, which means I'm in the right spot. I then make sure that my middle finger and thumb are not moving at all, therefore the metal needle is not moving at all, as I use my index finger to gently advance the cannula such that the colored part is flush with the skin. Once I'm fully inserted, let cannula down, occlude the vein, bung goes on, tegaderm goes on, and we are going to check it with a 10mm saline flush. Flushing easily so we know that it's going into the vein.